So Deva Bratt, you're not gonna give up. You know, sister, I did not pay no mind. You're a big informer. You're informed till you're informed by your own self and you don't realize that.
Where the brother bad mind me from. You see, because when we go at the garrison them, and the man them bring out the thing them, the tall thing them, Deva Bratt himself take it and go so ratchet it up and show them, say, yo, me know it. And them thing them makes more. When me and the umbre they go somewhere, and the man them bring out the thing, me first say, yo, give me that one there. Let me show you what one. Other one they go, ratchet so, and ratchet so, and ratchet so, and it pull out so, and it pull out so, and it drops so, boom, and pull it up back and go so, one.
The scoop.
J Progress also say, oh, Kartel, them love big up some man with fishy. And you say a Gaza. You, J Progress say a Gaza, you say, but yet still willing to bring down the artist just to get some views over YouTube.
Me hear Vybz Kartel call Jaden name in our song. So Gaza, what that mean? You know, go accept Jaden in the Gaza now?
Now which song that? I which song that them say, you know, Kartel just this year.
Him this me now one song?
Jano Star Kartel finally find out, so you're probably not straight. Play some of your song, brother. I'm excellent.
Yeah, you play.
Can't bother get up my youth. Oh, them say that are this. Bumbo Club! Hold on. Hold on, where next one? Go for the next one.
As the song start! DJ!
Yo! Where next one? Skate in your wall and a Jaden this?
Skate in your wall and a Jaden. He mean like... Yes, he call Jaden for girl them also. Yes, he must say him skating at the girl them. Did it?
No, him probably I say, yo, him remember say eating a dog. Let me go pan it and see.
Oh,
remember say this a skate pan the tool.
Eh?
Remember say this a skate pan the tool.
Yeah!
Let me hear the next slide.
Oh, I can't tell you.
What a go, my people. Welcome back to the Scoop with Michelle. Guys, boy, me I tell you, Vybz Kartel, me don't know, everything with Vybz Kartel, some people have a problem with it. Because I see Deva Bratt him come out, him attack some things, fi sing for him own self. And then me see J Progress him. Kartel latest song we him have, where him call Jaden name inna. Deva Spratt. You swear say a Kartel you bring down. But yourself you bring down. You swear say a Kartel you bring down. But yourself you bring down. A full time now, you realize say the things them we are do, it not work. It not stop Kartel from be great. It not stop the people them from love Vybz Kartel. So why you not just give it up? Why you not just give it up? I never know I could have lived to see the day where Vybz Kartel come from prison and just have everybody crashing out. Just have everybody crashing out. And the only reason why they might crash out is because of Vybz Kartel's success. If the man wasn't succeeding, nobody want to give one flying about him. You understand? They don't want to care about him. If Vybz Kartel wasn't making headlines and selling out shows, they don't want to care about him. But because him come on road after 13 years and I beat them bad, everybody in them feelings. Everybody and their mother and their granny in them feelings. Deva Bratt, you try to sing Vybz Kartel, but yourself you sing. You need to love Vybz Kartel alone. Because Vybz Kartel don't see Deva Bratt. Deva Spratt, Vybz Kartel do not see you. Hear the things them where you go on big social media attack. So, me fi take you serious. Who could have take somebody like you serious? When you come and inform on your own self. Uno see why Vybz Kartel have to move from around people like Uno. Uno see why Vybz Kartel because of a bad mind. You understand? And you as a cartel bad mind. You as a cartel bad mind because of this and because of that. Vybz Kartel success a beat on a bad. Uno did have, well, you didn't have no freedom because you did have prison one time. I don't remember how much years you spend. But a long time you come a road. A long time you da road, you know. And you don't make no use of your time, you know. You don't make no use of your time because somehow, you know, when someone go to prison, you give up, you know. You give up. But when Vybz Kartel that prison, him push himself harder than when him did their road. So him success appear right now. The man make sure say him set him thing for him there behind the bars. So when him come out a road, him thing well set. But who know that the mindset, you know? Who know that the mindset, you know, is such a gangster, but you know, is such a baby. Who know say you know such a gangster, but at the same time, with some cry baby. Vybz Kartel wall out. He man wall out. He man go through sickness. He man a battle grave disease. But he wall out. You understand? And fight for freedom. And come a road. And sell out stadiums. He man come back a road, come make dancehall. At the forefront once more. The man make dancehall relevant. The man make the girl them can go dance and enjoy themselves. Once again. You understand? And a cartel who don't want to accept pan. Cartel who don't want to bring down. Because we don't like to see the next black brothers strive. We don't like to see the next black brothers strive. Before we work alongside with the brother and try to bring them down. One thing someone don't want to see, you know, we definitely want to see Vybz Kartel go back to prison. That's why we're willing to come on the media, come talk certain things, and think on our own self. Just to prove a point. And just to bring down Vybz Kartel. Even J Progress. I say name J Progress. The vlogger there. We say him say Gaza. Kartel new song where him say me I go skating a yo, me I no Jaden this. Kartel say me I go skating a yo, I no Jaden this. Meaning say Jaden love his skate on the tool, but him a go skating a the girl. You understand? J Progress also say, oh Kartel, them love big up some man with fishy. And you say a Gaza. You, J Progress say a Gaza, you say, but yet still willing to bring down the artist just to get some views over YouTube and TikTok. Because what is that? If a man say, he man or Jaden, what is that? A man says skate. A man says skating a yo and no Jaden this. How a man a big up fish? Eh? Yo. Vybz Kartel just have to stay prayed up because the devil is a liar. You understand? Anyway, guys, thank you all for watching. Thank you all for listening. Remember to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. Walk good and spread love. I'm out.
The Scoop.